welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for blueberry cheesecake. I know I just recently did a no-bake cheesecake recipe. However, that one was a little bit heavy, and I think it was because of the chocolate. So I decided I wanted something lighter, a little more summery. So this time we're doing blueberry cheesecake. I'm really excited, so let's get started.
We start out with our ingredients. We need 1 3/4 cups or 200 grams of graham cracker crumbs or butter cookie crumbs, 2 cups or 300 grams of fresh or frozen blueberries, 2/3 cup or 160 milliliters of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 heaping tablespoon or 10 grams of gelatin, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, 1 3/4 cup or 80 grams of melted butter, 2 cups or 450 grams of cream cheese, 1 cup or 125 grams of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 3 tablespoons water, 1 cup or 150 grams of blueberries to decorate the top, which is optional. In a saucepan, add 2 cups of fresh or frozen blueberries, lemon juice, and sugar. Heat over medium-high heat until simmering. Using a blender or a stick blender, puree the blueberry mixture. Allow to cool completely. Stir gelatin into the water and allow to bloom for at least 5 minutes. While that is blooming, pour the melted butter into the crumbs. Mixture should be similar to wet sand. Press into the bottom of a 9 or 10 inch springform pan. Set aside. Beat the cream cheese in a large mixing bowl until creamy. Beat in vanilla and powdered sugar. Beat in blueberry mixture, and don't make my mistake. You can see the blueberry mixture is still steaming because it was not completely cool. Don't do this. Please wait until the blueberries are completely cool before beating them into the cream cheese mixture. Beat in gelatin. In a separate bowl, beat cream until it reaches soft peaks. Fold into blueberry mixture. Pour onto prepared graham cracker crust. Chill in the refrigerator at least 4 hours. Remove from springform pan and decorate with fresh blueberries. My cheesecake was still quite soft since I didn't let the blueberries cool enough, so that is the reason you're seeing the drooping on the side. It didn't affect the taste though. It is creamy and fresh and not too sweet. It's perfect for summer but can be made year-round. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.